Mission Lane is an unsecured credit card designed for people with limited or rebuilding credit, and it reports payment activity to all three major credit bureaus. By the end, you'll know how Mission Lane approval works, what the card actually offers after approval, and whether it is worth using in 2026 for credit building. Start with approval. Mission Lane uses a pre-qualification process that checks your credit profile without impacting your score. If you pass pre-qualification, you get a clearer view of your actual card offer before committing. Now, explain what that means. This is a credit building card, not a premium rewards product. Approval is based on credit history signals, not bank account data like newer fintech cards. Now explain what you get after approval. Once approved, you get a Visa credit card that can be used anywhere Visa is accepted. Your monthly payments are reported to all three major credit bureaus. Now explain the credit building effect. That reporting is the key feature. On-time payments can help build or rebuild your credit history over time. Now explain the structure of the card. Mission Lane sometimes offers different card versions depending on your profile. Some users may see different fees or credit limits based on their risk level. Now explain the main benefit. The main benefit is access to unsecured credit without needing perfect credit history. You do not need a security deposit to open the account. Now, explain the trade-off. The trade-off is cost and structure. Depending on your offer, fees and limits may not be as competitive as premium credit cards. Now explain the biggest misconception. Mission Lane is not a rewards-focused credit card. It is designed for credit building, not maximizing cashback or travel benefits. Now, explain who it helps most. It is most useful for people rebuilding credit after past issues or starting fresh without strong credit history. Now explain who it is less useful for. It is less useful for users who already qualify for low-fee or high-rewards credit cards. Now explain the limitation. Your exact terms depend heavily on your credit profile at the time of application. That means two users can receive very different offers. Now summarize the core idea. Mission Lane is a straightforward credit building card with no security deposit. It reports to all major credit bureaus to help establish payment history, and its value depends on your starting credit profile and the terms you're offered. One practical next step. Check the pre-qualification offer first so you can see your exact fees and credit limit before accepting the card. If this helped, like the video and subscribe for more simple breakdowns of credit cards without confusion.